Guangzhou Catertop Food Machinery Co. Limited is a professional company that specializes in manufacturing and supplying commercial restaurant kitchen equipment since 2009. As a leading manufacturer and supplier of kitchen equipment in China, Catertop prides itself on its ability to provide the best quality product and remarkable services at an economical price to suit individual customer requirements, such as hotels, restaurants, canteens, industrial kitchens, bars, pubs, hospitals and all other hospitality-related environments. Catertop has built the reputation based on the commitment of providing rapid response to international orders. The factory is equipped with advanced production, processing and inspection equipment, such as CNC laser cutting machine, CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine. We focus on manufacturing kitchen equipment, bakery equipment, food processor, refrigeration equipment, snack equipment, and food service equipment. All our products have been gone through 3 times QC before exporting. Most of them achieve ISO quality system certification, CE, RoHS and SASO. Catertop has helped customers in more than 60 countries to be successful and earn good profits. We also welcome you to become an exclusive distributor in your country. Choosing Catertop as your supplier is a crucial decision in your successful business. We are looking forward to collaborating with you and being your most reliable partner in the latest future.